Mumbai, the 5th of September, actress Ayesha Kapur, who was the younger version of her character, Rani Mukerji in Sanjay Leela's Black, is set to debut as an actor in Bollywood with the forthcoming film, Hari Om. The actress of 28, who attended the prestigious school Columbia in New York, has been working on her Hindi pronunciation for the past 6 months with Kulvinder Bakshish, the language coach who also taught Aamir Khan in Punjabi for Laal Singh Chaddha. She is also conducting workshops with the actor in the film Anshuman Jha. The film is her platform as a leading lady, Ayesha declared in an announcement. I am excited about returning to the acting world and working on Hari Om. It's a lovely, family-friendly film that will strike the nerve with everybody in one way or another. I love the simplicity with the way Harish Sir writes his stories and fleshes out his characters. They're very real and accessible. In addition, the film stars veteran actors such as Raghubir, Yadav, Soni Razdan, Ayesha Kapur and Manu Rishi Chaddha. Ayesha is bursting with excitement at working with an ensemble of this strength. She said, "This film has me working with famous actors like Raghubir, Yadav Sir and Soni Razdan Ma'am. Being able to work with them and being in the same frame as them will be a thrilling and learning experience for me. It's also great to collaborate with Anshuman, as I admire his acting as well as the choices in his scripts he makes. I'm looking forward to filming in Madhya Pradesh." Hari Om, which will be through flaws in October, will be having its first scheduled in Bhopal and conclude in December with the final schedule, which will be shot in the winter months. KVD 888,11,110,888 Mumbai, September 5th. Actress Ayesha Kapur, who played the younger version of Rani Mukerji's character in Sanjay Leela Bansali's Black, is all set to make her debut as a lead in Bollywood with the upcoming film, Hari Om. The 28-year-old actress, who went to study at Columbia in New York, has been working on her Hindi diction for nearly 6 months with Kulvinder Bakshish, the language coach who also trained Aamir Khan in Punjabi for Laal Singh Chaddha. She has also been doing workshops together with the film's actor Anshuman Jha. Talking about the film being her vehicle as a leading lady, Ayesha said in a statement, "I am excited about getting back into acting and shooting for Hari Om. It's a sweet, family film which will touch a chord with everyone in some way. I like the simplicity with which Harish Sir writes his stories and fleshes out his characters. They are very real and relatable." Additionally, the film also stars veteran actors like Raghubir Yadav, Soni Razdan, Ayesha Kapur and Manu Rishi Chaddha. Ayesha can't contain her excitement to work along with such a powerful cast. She added, "This film has me working alongside celebrated actors like Raghubir Yadav Sir and Soni Razdan Ma'am. To be working with them and to be on the same frame as them will be an exciting learning experience for me. And it's great to work with Anshuman because I really admire his acting and the script choices he makes. Looking forward to shooting in Madhya Pradesh." Hari Om, which goes on flaws this month, will have its first schedule in Bhopal and will wrap in December with the final schedule which has to be shot in the winters. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to channel and click on bell for more daily videos.